Okay, so this is my air cannon, and I made it like a year ago, and I'm just finally making a video. So, I'm gonna be shooting potatoes out of it, down there. The last potato I shot went 125 feet, like on the dot, so I'm gonna air it up a little bit more and hope to get a better shot. The design of it is just a weird design that I felt like doing. I'm probably gonna, I have a lot of others, but I'm just making a video right now with this one. So, here I go, I'm gonna air it up. I don't know if we're going to be able to find that one, but we'll see. We'll see.